We are standing on Mongkut-Chepu sides of the bridge. Look at that fresh fire that they have set to houses. And since morning, they have even started firing automatic weapons. Last night, I think around 1:32 a.m., they came all the way from that area. I don't know how the security persons, they let them gather in such a huge number. They marched down from that IB area towards Mongkut-Chepu, attempting to break into our village. Since the beginning of this issue, Mongkut-Chepu was nowhere in the picture. However, we have to react to defend our village and our people. See, look at the firing. You can hear it.
Kusung lut dekat tiu he pitum lo la lut dekat tiu he tu ni wang kusung mit ten tao na yellow wo kusung ka lut dai Central Force to ka kino to ve we should go lai tin ji wa sunga ha sa ji ve cholo he hai go back na se ta he amuna ki da lut to thu ta heมีทำขัดลุตาเวนตาเหบ้านน้องข้าวแบบอะไรเลยช่วย on the spot มองให้ตายตัวเฮสุงา on the field ก็มองให้ตายจิงกะตัวมองเงี้ย
litan loi ko litan loi reng sidi kum loi reng sidi di litan hai bisi anau bo litan she mata re loi re she loi
Firing murder ta sang wearing thorsong isim ka blak na simang na kap ne automatic weapon mang e